Hey everybody, welcome to a new episode. I am here in the garage and there's something missing right behind me. So the Datsun is getting sandblasted right now. They're actually using steel and walnut. So steel on the underbody with the undercoating to get that off, and walnut on the roof, just the more thin panels. So while that's happening, I've got a couple little projects I want to work on. All right, so here's the product we're going to be working with today. It's Quick-Glo. It's by an American company here out of Louisiana. They have really good reviews. A lot of people really like them. They've been featured on Jay Leno's Garage, a couple other places. Popular stuff. We're going to put it to the test and see how it performs. So these are the pieces that need to be cleaned. That drip rail that goes on top of right by the roof line. The window pieces and the piece on the back small window, it wraps around, kind of trim the windows as well.